Hi there, this is Gabby from Guesty. In this video, I'll be explaining how data is synced between Guesty and Vrbo. Once a listing has been published to Vrbo, both its content and calendar should be managed directly in Guesty. When making updates, the data will sync with Vrbo and override the existing data. This means that if you were to update information directly in Vrbo, Guesty would automatically override it. Keep in mind this doesn't apply if you're adding or updating a Vrbo feature that Guesty doesn't support, such as virtual tours. Updates you make in Guesty sync with Vrbo either within an hour or within 24 hours, depending on the type of data. For example, pricing, minimum nights, availability, and financial settings are all synced with Vrbo within an hour. All other data, such as pictures, descriptions, amenities, and other listing content, are synced within 24 hours. Lastly, for data to sync with Vrbo, ensure that Guesty is set on the system of record in your Vrbo account. This indicates if data should be updated via your property management software, which is Guesty, or directly in Vrbo. To view this, sign into your Vrbo account, click My Account, and then System of Record. If you have any questions or feedback, click the question mark widget in the Guesty dashboard to contact us or to view more in our Help Center. Thanks for watching!